Okay, we're back again with me, Chef Raihan, and for the second dish, I'm gonna make some egg tart. You just need some sugar, flour, little bit of salt, cornstarch, vanilla paste, egg, pastry dough. Okay, first thing first, we just need some egg yolk, so we just crack on it. We just need some egg yolk for the mustard. We don't need the white one because the egg yolk is very thick and then really good for the cream. The egg yolk is done and then we beat it up. And then after the egg yolk is beaten, we just put some cornstarch. Okay, when it's done, we heat the pan and then we put some milk. Vanilla paste. Why we need some vanilla paste? Because the vanilla paste make the flavor more riches and more fragrance and also more delicious. Just wait for the milk to boil a little bit and then we add some sugar to the egg. When the milk is hot enough, we just put the rest of milk to the egg yolk. Just little by little. Don't put too much because the egg will be like scrambled. You don't like that when it happens. So when it all mix up, just put all at once to the milk in the boil pan. We just cook until the custard is really thick. When the custard is thick enough, turn off it. Okay, and then we prepare the pastry dough. Very easy, just some flour, we just need the pastry dough thin enough. We just roll it until we have some thickness that we want. add it through. That's all done. Just I need to make it thin enough again. And we just put 2 big cupcake spade. The pastry is done, and let's go put the custard to the dough. And then we just bake it for maybe 160 Celsius. It's about 12 minutes. Okay, let's go. Okay, and the egg tart is done. Let's go take it. Yeah. Okay. And then let's go plating. First, we're gonna put the egg tart to plate. Okay. And then it's done. Egg tart.